not dry everywhere today.
Yeah, a few more weeks without rain, they might have made a different decision because we are drying out quickly. But you're right, there is some nice rain falling in some areas this afternoon, but also some severe thunderstorms, Leslie. On the Viper radar here, the counties in yellow are under a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock tonight. That does include Milam County in our northeastern viewing area, which also happens to be under a severe thunderstorm warning right now. Let's look at that on the KXAN Storm Profiler radar, and you can see a cluster of strong to severe thunderstorms across Milam County from Cameron down to Rockdale. We've had a report of a 56-mile-per-hour wind gust in Cameron. Now that's enough to blow things around pretty good. And remember, our trees are suffering from the drought of the last 2 years, and they're blown over much more easily than normal lately. So you folks be very, very careful around these thunderstorms here in Milam County. You're under severe thunderstorm warning until 6 p.m. tonight. 658 cloud-to-ground lightning strikes just in the frame that you're looking at right here in the last 10 minutes. Now, not all of those in Milam County, a lot of those over here in these storms toward Bryan and College Station. But it's not just Milam County that's seeing the thunderstorm activity this afternoon. We are beginning to see some development back down here in Williamson County. Now, these are not strong storms there northeast of Copeland and in the Taylor area. I shouldn't say they're not severe storms. They are increasing in intensity, becoming strong thunderstorms right now. In fact, we're indicating some hail up to an inch in diameter in this area of thunderstorms over eastern Williamson County. This developing area of thunderstorms here to the west of Taylor on Highway 29 also showing some signs of intensifying right now. Little cloud-to-ground lightning. You can see those little lightning symbols that are flashing there. Also indication that hail in this storm is as big as an inch in diameter, but the probability of that being severe hail when it reaches the ground, which would be the size of a quarter, is only 30%. So we don't think these storms are quite yet severe, but they are heavy thunderstorms, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, and in those purple and red areas, very heavy downpours of rain. Now, notice we're also seeing some development down here into Travis County now, too. Around Pflugerville, south of Manor, there's Highway 290 right there. A little thunderstorm cell up here around Leander. See a little thunderstorm developing. Liberty Hill, Marble Falls as well. So this may be a trend that continues into the evening hours right now, especially along the I-35 corridor counties and off to the east. If you're near any of these developing thunderstorms, do stay indoors and away from windows until the storms pass. Now, it's certainly hot enough today for these storms to fire, and that's what it's taken this afternoon, the heat of the day, to get them going. 97 degrees the high temperature today at Mabry, 96 at the airport, above average, but at least we didn't top 100 degrees like we did yesterday. Live look outside from our downtown camera looking to the north. You can certainly see the overcast conditions and the darker sky with that rain that is falling just north of Austin right now. Our evening planning forecast for Austin, we're expecting to see the thunderstorms continue in the area into the evening hours. We'll call for a chance of thunderstorms at 8 p.m. and even at 10 o'clock tonight as the temperature falls pretty rapidly now with this rain-cooled air coming in. We'll drop from 94 to 80 degrees here in the next hour or two, most likely. In the area right now, still low 90s to the east and back to the west, but where it's been raining, look at there, Burnett's at 79 degrees right now. Feels like 102. This is the heat index. 102 out at the airport, 100 degrees in Bastrop. Austin's cloudy and 94. It's 95 at the airport under a cloudy sky with winds that are pretty light out there. Sunset 8:34 tonight. Mold in the pollen count today at a high level, 1,376. Around Texas, hot in most places except where it's been raining, like Waco there at 72 degrees. The storm's firing on a frontal boundary and moving to the southeast tonight. We may see more storms fire out here to the west and track down our direction. That's why the Storm Prediction Center has placed our entire area in the slight risk category for severe storms overnight through 7 o'clock in the morning. Our computer model kind of fades the activity out today, and then tomorrow maybe a shower thunderstorm flaring up in the heat of the day. But after tomorrow, high pressure builds back in and our rain chances are going way down. So let's hope you get some rain where you are tonight. Low temperatures in the 70s tonight. The high temperatures tomorrow going to bounce right back up to the mid-90s. So thunderstorms possible in the area tonight, 75 the low. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy. We'll still hit 95 though, with a chance of a thunderstorm for one more day. About a 20% chance tomorrow. And we can't rule one out on Thursday, but we're going to drop that probability down to 10%. We call that isolated. And then after that, it just looks hot and very summer-like. Friday through the weekend, even into next week, Leslie.
All right.